Welcome to Junior's Chef. My name is Chef Georgie. We'll have 3 contestants that will be baking America's finest cake.
Hi, my name is Bailey and I'm 9 years old and I come from Florida.
I'm Brianna and I'm 12 years old and I come from North Carolina. My name is Brian, I'm 12 years old and I come from Canada.
Are you all ready?
Yes!
Junior chefs, close your eyes. On the count of 3, your ingredients will appear. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Whoa, our ingredients!
Ooh, so nice.
Alright.
Okay.
Chefs, in front of you, you have your ingredients. This was inspired by America's finest cake. You have exactly 1 hour to complete baking your cake.
3, 2, 1.
The chefs have exactly 1 hour to complete their specialty cake.
Oh no.
Where's the egg? I don't see no egg.
I'm gonna open it now. I'm kind of nervous for this competition because I've never baked in front of like a whole audience before, and I really want to beat this competition.
You are very messy, chef.
I am sorry!
I don't trust this.
Chef Georgie is a little bit strict, but I know I got this.
An egg.
Why are you doing that? You look nervous. Stop being nervous. I need you to batter that. Is that the way you crack an egg?
I'm so nervous. I never
Is that the way you crack an egg?
forgot to crack an egg.
Oh my God, when to get this chefs. Alright, you're doing okay.
Get some
And you still have not cracked that egg?
Okay. I need more water. Uh-oh. Oh, whoopsie. Are you okay?
If you don't get dirty, you're not really a good cook. Make sure you clean your
Sorry.
mess after battering. And that's too much batter. That's
Yeah.
too much batter. Do it slowly.
I want to take out his little white hairs and put it in the cake. But I can't do that.
What kind of cake are you baking for us today?
I'm making a strawberry shortcake and it's going to be special for you.
What is this?
That's the frosting. I forgot what it was called.
And what this is supposed to be?
The strawberries.
Alright, and what kind of batter is that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay, good. Good. Continue with your specialty. And Chef Brianna, what are you baking for us today?
I'm baking chocolate cake.
Okay, what kind of chocolate would this be?
It'll kind of like a chocolate explosion, like a molten. It's gonna have like Hershey syrup inside.
Okay, and what this supposed to be?
That's the frosting. So I'm gonna cut the cake and make like a little layer.
Alright, and this, what are you doing with that?
Well, after I put the frosting on top of the cake, those are the toppings.
Awesome, it's looking great. That cake is looking great.
Thank you.
And Miss Bailey, could you elaborate what is it that you're baking today?
So today I'm making a carrot cake.
That sounds delicious. And can you explain to us the ingredients you have?
So I have carrots here and then I have vanilla frosting.
I've been baking for 6 years and I'm 12, and my grandma showed me how to bake.
The chefs have exactly 1 hour to complete their masterpiece.
Alright, mine is ready to go.
Mine is also ready to go. I just have to clean the side. Mine is almost ready to go. I just need to add a little bit more batter to it.
Alright, I'm running. Bye.
Mine's in.
no!
In, gotta make sure nothing drops.
Okay, so now, oh no. Alright, so
It looks beautiful.
thank you. So I'm gonna just.
Oh, that looks awesome too.
Bottom looks amazing.
Whoa.
Great. Okay, Brianna, I see you're doing some magic with your cake. Can you explain to us exactly what are we looking at here?
So I'm trying to put the frosting in here so then I can make the cake look pretty. And then we gotta put the Hershey syrup in there
Okay, and exactly what's the Hershey syrup is going to do to your cake?
to have it full flavor.
Oh, you're adding flavor to your cake. Okay. And baby, your cake is looking like seasoned, meaning, right, since we're going to the fall,
Yeah.
right, that's the fall colors. What is this little things you got going on here?
So these are carrots, and I'm surrounding the cake to make it make it look good and like delicious. Okay, so my cake is turning out very good, and I think I'm gonna win. The other competitors are pretty good, but I know I got this.
Right, and I see that Chef Brian is putting a lot of strawberries on his cake. Now, Brian, exactly, can you explain to us what are you doing? Although it looks amazingly delicious.
I'm adding so much strawberries to it because I need it for like flavor
Okay,
and I need it to look good.
okay.
The side for like decoration. Look good.
Okay. All right, folks, chefs, on the count of 5, we're gonna stop and hands off. 5,
No.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Awesome. Finally, the contestants have finished their creation. I am going to taste each and one of these cake and then determine who is the winner. I'll start with Chef Brian. I'm taking a piece.
I don't know. I'm not sure who's gonna win. That looks so delicious.
Mmm. Mmm. Texture. Mmm. Strawberry. Mmm.
That's strawberries.
It's good. It's real good. Good job, Chef Brian. I'm moving along to Chef Brianna. As you can see, there's you went overboard with chocolate, which is great. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna take a piece.
Oopsies.
Very chocolatey. Amazing. So between Brian and Brianna, I can't decide. They're both very good cakes. So now I'm moving along to the carrot cake. I'm moving along to Chef Bailey. Very nice put together carrot cake, by the way. So I'm taking a piece. Wow. Each and all of this cake are delicious. I can't decide. I cannot decide who will be the winner, but I'm gonna leave you to help me decide who is the winner. Whether Chef Bailey, by the way, her cake was amazing. Whether it is Chef Brianna, which the cake is also amazing and beautifully designed, or this nice fruity strawberry shortcake done by Chef Brian. Folks, please help me out on this one. please. I don't know how to decide. They're all great. They all taste amazing, but I need your help.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Junior Chefs.